1994, Gerber Stanton installed on a low tank. So I decided to install this on a low tank since the high tank flush was interesting, but it was a bit too powerful for me. So I wanted to see how this would do on lower pressure installed. So I installed the Crane Pneumo low tank that I have with a standard dual action handle. So yeah, let's go ahead and give this a flush. It's a really nice flush, actually. I like it a lot better than the high tank flush it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.